think I have a cold. Sneezing, sniffling. Need to drink some vitamin C. This snow we got this morning, man. It's not too bad though. Streets aren't bad, they're just wet. Waterloo Road. We are in Edmond, yo. Heading home, finally. After about an hour at the freaking truck stop trying to get some diesel exhaust fluid for this truck. I think it was the card. I think that cashier lady, she didn't freaking do it right or whatever. Spent a half an hour trying to figure it out, and finally the mechanic or the manager or whatever, she's in charge of the freaking fuel island. He's like, well, it might be your card, I don't know. You can try paying cash or go to a different truck stop. And I was like, alright, I'll go across the street, because there was another truck stop across the street. So I go over there, and they don't have deaf. I'm like, man, shit. And I tried another one across the street. There was like 3 of them right there clumped together. So I tried the other, and I looked at the other one, and they don't have deaf. And I'm like, screw this, man. I've been here now 45 minutes trying to get just a little bit of deaf. And so I said, man, I'm just going to put $5 in, man. That should get me home. And sure enough, it put it back to a quarter of a tank. Enough to get me back. Wasted an hour. I hate wasted time, man. That's been bothering me lately. Like when nothing gets done in an hour or so. Like when I want to get something done and nothing gets done. I don't know. Usually it's not my fault. But I don't know. I could have went in there, paid $5 out of my pocket, and left. I would have been out of there in 10 minutes, you know. I don't know, but that was a couple hours ago, so I'm good now. I listened to some music, ate something. I bought me a couple Coca-Colas, drank one of them, so ate some cookies, so I'm doing all right now, I guess. Just want to end this day. It wasn't a bad day. I mean, I did make my deliveries on time and everything, and everything was fine, you know, besides the snow and the slush and stuff. You know, that's not too bad. That's expected if you're a driver. But oh man, I'm just ready to go home and chill. But I gotta return my mom's car today, so I have to get back out in this, drive to Midwest City. I have to pick up my son Brandon a belt. He needs a belt, so I'll pick that up on the way home maybe. And I gotta take Nathan home. He spent the weekend, Friday night and Saturday night with me and Anna, so I think he's got school tomorrow, or not school, but work at the school, work study. So, well, we're getting ready to get into Edmond here. It's probably going to get a little bit more busier, so I'm going to get off this video thing, concentrate more on the road. So, later.